Okay, this is reflection number 3. I'm now in the middle of working on my literature review, so I'm going to include a lot of that information in this reflection. What have I learned about research? I have learned more about how to conduct research, learning the difference between experimental and non-experimental. I didn't realize that there were different types. Just that non-experimental does not have a control, so really you're just testing something just to see the effects of it. That's one of the things that I definitely learned. I do have a little bit of a background just because high school I took a statistics course in which we talked about a lot of this information. I teach science, so that kind of helps a little bit with understanding this information. What challenges have I encountered? Right now I'm working on my literature review, and I feel like I have a lot of information to include, and just kind of trying to narrow down everything into, I tend to, once I start writing, I can get wordy, so trying to kind of make everything concise. One of the things that my peer reviewer suggested, and I'm not sure exactly what we're supposed to be doing about this, is how much of my own voice I should be including, how much first person I should be including in my literature review. Because part of the reason I picked my topic is because of its importance to myself. So I guess that's one of my challenges, is incorporating first person without using too many I words. Successes, I have the first 4, actually probably now I have up to 6 pages of my literature review written. I have my categories for the most part picked out. I found a gap, I believe, in my topic, although finding that gap, because my topic is very broad, I'm not sure if there is other research out there. There's just so much research about collaborative and cooperative learning that hopefully my gap is actually a gap and not just something I was overlooking. What I've learned about myself as a consumer of research, I'm able to understand it better, I guess. And just that there's so much in each article. I found, as I was making categories for my research, that I had overlapping categories, such as technology. Technology was found in several of the specific categories that I split my paper up into. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of overlap, but I guess that's a good thing. So next steps, continuing to work on my on summarizing for my literature review. I guess just being able to make everything concise so that I can complete this in a reasonable amount of time and not spend too much time elaborating too much, because I do have 12 articles that I need to incorporate, and I've only incorporated 4, so I guess generalizing things a little bit more so it doesn't get too wordy, and to make it understandable, that would be very helpful. So that is my reflection for the week.